Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you control the business profile. Sign into the Google account that manages the listing and open the business profile dashboard. Once done, make sure the listing appears under your locations and gather ownership proof like recent emails, invoices, or screenshots of the dashboard. This matters because Google prioritizes verified owners for removal requests. Without verification, you'll need to request ownership first. If you already lack access, follow the request ownership flow before continuing to deletion or remove. Now you'll execute the removal. In your business profile dashboard, open the specific listing, go to Info or Edit, and choose either mark as permanently closed or remove this listing depending on options shown. Provide the closure date and a clear reason, for example, business moved or duplicate listing, and attach supporting documents when prompted. Once submitted, Google processes deletion versus closure differently, so select the option that matches your goal and track the request status in the dashboard to confirm action. To finish, monitor the dashboard and your email for a confirmation from Google. Typical processing takes between 7 and 14 days. If the listing isn't removed or is reappearing, contact Google Business Profile support via chat or request a re-review and supply the evidence you gathered earlier. Make sure to explain why deletion is correct and reference any case numbers. One key troubleshooting tip: if a duplicate persists, flag the duplicate listing directly and attach proof of the primary listing to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.